Assalamualaikum children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. So again we are back with math subject. You can see on your screen today we have a concept of above, middle and below. See here heading above, middle, below. See, look at the pictures. See the pictures here. We have to see the picture and we have to identify which is the above part, which is the below part and which is the middle part. What is above, children? Above, which is the upper side. Above is which comes up side. See this is the above part and this is the middle part. You can see middle comes in between part. You can see here middle कहाँ पर आता, बीच में आता. So this is the middle part and this is the below part. Below means which comes down, जो सबसे नीचे आता. So we called it below. This is above, this is middle and this is below. See in above part what pictures you can see. This is like, what is this? This is yo-yo, fan, top, bucket. All these comes in which part? Above part. And see the next part, this is the middle part. This is middle part. These all pictures coming in middle part. You can see rope, ball, puzzle. These all pictures are coming in a middle part. Then after that, what is this? Which part it is? It is below part. This is below part. Below part comes downside. This is below part. You can see in the below part, robot, drum, blocks, crayons. So this is the concept of above, middle and below. With this we have a activity also, children. I'll show you that. Are you ready? Look at the activity, children. Above, middle and below. Color the parts of the building using the given color codes. See here, color the parts of the building using the given color codes. You can see the building here. How many parts are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 parts. The building is divided into 3 parts. One is above part, one is middle part and one is below part. Okay. So we have to do the color here. And the color codes are given here. See here, above. In the above part we have to do green color. In the middle part we have to do red color. And in the below part we have to do yellow color. So now we have to see which is the above part, which is the middle part and which is the below part. Now tell me, is this the above part, children? No. Is this the above part? Yes, this is the above part. What I said, above part comes up first, which comes upper side, that is called above part. Okay, so this is the above part. Let's do the color. For above part, which color it is showing us? Green color. So here in the above part we have to do green color. Are you ready for coloring, children? Let's do it. Very neat we have to do. Okay, children? In the above part, which color it is showing us? Green color. So that's why we are doing in the above part green color. Okay? Do it slowly. Do it inside. Don't take out the color outside the building. Okay, children? So we are done with the above part. Now see the next part. Now it is showing middle. For middle, which color it is showing us? Red color. Is this the middle part? No. Is this the middle part? Yes. What I said, the middle part comes in between. बीच में जो रहता है उसको हम middle part बोलते हैं. So this is the middle part. So for middle part it is showing us red color. So in the middle we have to do red color. Do it. In middle part it is showing us red color code. So we are doing in the middle red color. Okay. Slowly do it neatly, children. Okay, children. So we are done in the middle part also. What is left now, children? Which part is left? Below part. The below part is left. So for below part, what it is showing? Yellow color. So in the below part we have to do yellow color. Let's do it. In the below part, which color it is showing? Yellow color. So we are doing yellow here. Okay. So here we are done with the below part also. You can see the beautiful building. You can see the above part is in green color, the middle part is in red color, and the below part is in yellow color. So our building is complete now. So this is our concept, today's concept. What is the today's concept? Above, middle and below. So the same you need to do the homework as well, children. Do it and send it to me. Thank you all.